All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and answer both of these questions here using my thinking steps. It's really important, guys, that you are listening and paying attention to see how I'm going to answer these questions so that tomorrow when you do your exit ticket, you can get a 100. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with step number 1 here. What is the text mostly about? This text was mostly about how hurricanes form. But here in this page, I can see the second page of the article. So this is what my questions are going to be about. Just this page, not the whole article. Just this one. So now, step number 2, what do the words teach me? I'm going to reread page 2 of the article so I can figure out what the words are trying to teach me here. I'm going to start with paragraph 1. Warm ocean water turns into tiny drops of water in the air. They form clouds. 2. Winds make the clouds spin together. They spin faster and faster. 3. A hurricane forms. Clouds spin around the eye. That is the storm's calm center. So the words in this page are teaching me about how the storm forms and how clouds spin together and make the eye. Step number 3, what do the pictures teach me? Here in this page, I have 3 pictures or 3 diagrams. In each of them, I can see different details. In the first picture, I can see clouds are starting to form. In the second one, I can see that those clouds are starting to get bigger and they're starting to go kind of like in a circular motion. And then the last one, I see an arrow that says eye, and it's pointing to the center of the hurricane's eye, or the eye of the storm. The last step says, what information can I learn from just the pictures and just the words? And so this last step is what's going to be found in both of these questions. So let's go ahead and read our questions to figure out what they are going to be asking us and what information we're going to have to find in our article. Question 1. What information about clouds can I learn only from the words? I'm going to circle this keyword here, words. That's important. Am I going to look at information in the pictures for question 1? What do you think? You're right. I'm not going to look at the pictures for question number 1. I'm just going to look at the words, right? So let's go ahead and read our answer choices to think about what information is just found in the words. A, how hurricanes can be different colors. Did the words in the article ever say anything about hurricanes being different colors? What do you think? I agree. The words did not say anything about hurricanes being different colors. So I took that out. That's trash. B, the warm ocean water turns into tiny drops of water which form clouds. I think I remember reading this in the article. Let me see if I can find B somewhere in the words. Not in paragraph 3, not in paragraph 2. Here we go. Warm ocean water turns into tiny drops of water in the air. They form clouds. Cool. So this information is actually found in the words, and that's what the question's asking. So I'm going to put a magic maybe next to B. Now, I'm not going to just stop there and circle B right away. I need to read all of my answer choices. C, the clouds form a spiral shape. Did I ever read that in the words? Let me see. I don't see the word spiral anywhere in the words. So no, C is trash. I cannot find that in the words. D, the water is blue. No, the words did not ever mention anything about water being blue. I could see that in the picture, but I don't remember reading that in the words. So D is trash. That means that B is the right answer. This is the only information I can find in the words. I know I'm gonna get this question right. Let's move on to question 2. What information about clouds can I learn only from the image? I'm gonna go ahead and circle the word image because that's important. Do you think I'm gonna look at information in the words? You're right, I'm not. I'm only gonna look at the details and the information in my pictures, right? So now, let's read our answer choices. A, clouds spin around the eye. That is the storm's calm center. Can I find that information in the picture? Clouds spin around the eye. That is the storm's calm center. That's a tricky one. Here in this last picture, I can see this arrow pointing at the clouds and it says eye. But if I were just to look at the picture, can I figure out that that's the storm's calm center just by looking at the picture? I can't, right? I need words to teach me that that's the storm's calm center. And I actually remember reading that in the words. It says it here. And this question is not asking about the information in the words. It wants me to find the information from the image or the picture. So careful. That one's actually trash. B, winds make the clouds spin together. Winds make the clouds spin together. I'm only looking at my pictures. I can't know that if I'm just looking at my pictures. No, B is wrong. B is information that I can find in the words, not in the image. C, storm clouds are white and form a spiral. Can I find that information in the picture? Think about it. Yeah, I can see that the clouds are white and I can see that they're forming a spiral or circular shape. So I'm gonna put a magic maybe next to C. D, warm ocean water turns into tiny drops of water in the air. I can't find that information in the pictures. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and cross that one off. The best answer is C. C is the correct answer for question 2, and B is the correct answer for question 1. I got those right because I was able to use my thinking steps to figure out the correct answer. When you do your exit ticket, remember to use your thinking steps. And remember, is the question just asking you to find information in the words or just the picture?